If you're removing the fuel adjuster screws in your carb and you want to make sure you don't get them mixed up and put the wrong screw in the wrong hole, then this little technique I've got for you will make it so you'll never get that problem again. Welcome to the Repair Specialist channel, because knowledge is power. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the fuel adjuster screws, just to show you how I make sure I put the right screws back in the correct screw holes. Okay, so this is the tool. It's basically like a screwdriver, but the end there is this shape. It's splined. So it fits over those little splined heads, and I can unscrew them. I can see a little L there and a little H there. So I'm going to take out the L first. I'm going to keep that to the right. So now the H. Okay, there we go. I'll keep them up the top, just slightly out of the way. There I will put L. There I'll put H. So I know which is which, just for now. Now what I'm going to do is compare them completely. Now we can see by looking at these very, very closely that they look almost identical. There are some subtle differences though. If we look at the L, it's longer for a start. It's got this sleeve on it here, longer sleeve, and the end is much narrower than the H. So I'm going to make some associations here so I really don't forget. Because the L screw is longer, I'm going to just say it in this situation, L for long. So if these get mixed up now, I'm okay, aren't I? Because L for long. Let's have a look. There, I know which is the L. It's this one, longer. Okay, I'm not saying all the L screws in all machines are longer. I'm making this association for this particular machine, and I can't go wrong now. So I can put them to one side. I just want to emphasise that different makes and models of carbs will vary on their size of screws. So on some the H could be longer and the L could be shorter, etc. Or they may be the same, and in that case there's no issue. But if you take them out, examine them closely and compare them, and make some association like in the concept of this video, then you'll never forget which one goes where. Hope you've gained something there. Thank you for watching.